You are the first man by the scene and you can sell this. Watch out, man! Watch out! Brother, see people down there, brother. Good morning, everybody. Bless up. And I give thanks. Yeah, it's another day in the life of Onset working. It's approximately 6:30.
Kevin, chick.
Kevin is about to sing chick. Chick. That's Kevin over there. My boy Kevin, audio tech engineer.
A party for everybody, all this day. Party man.
Party monster. No power.
We know no beef.
No power in a power party.
Yeah, say we know no beef.
We don't have no beef, yeah.
We know no beef.
Walk up to some artist and
That's all you have
say,
to
we
say.
don't have no beef.
No, that's it. We know no beef.
We don't have no beef. Chicken, vegetable, and
So you got that chicken.
tell us we don't have no beef.
Yeah man, me a fish party.
Alright, come here.
Boy, I know what I mean. I know what I mean over that.
This time I come 100, 200. 1 and 2. Top all in a close. 100 all a close, 200 all a close. 1 and 2.
It's almost lunchtime. We're not finished shooting. It's loading. Load. We are in downtown Kingston and I'm hungry. I feel to eat ice. Start off with some ice and then we move on to some banana. This man tricked me. He said he wants fair to go home.
I say I want to go home. No man, Nanny will come.
He said Tony live.
Nanny.
Where am I by? What you say the Bible say?
Ask and it shall be given. Ask and it shall be given.
I'm not trick me, you ask me.
Yeah.
Okay. Alright. But you trick me though, you know. You know say you trick me. Excuse me. You know, so the man tricked me. He buy a cigarette in front of me and said, the Bible said, ask and it shall be given unto you. That's how I'm saying.
No. Don't worry. $100 give 5 shiva. 5 shiva on free.
But the cheese, I want them call me. But the cheese, I want them call me. But the rich people everybody want with. But the rich people everybody want with. But the cheese, I want them call me. But the cheese, I want them call me. But the rich people everybody want with. We have pop, but we have fish, but we have.
We've got a perfect storm. We don't care about the second wind. Something else to take form. Someone else to keep us warm.